Hello everyone, in this video we will learn spices name or names of different spices in English through pictures or visual illustrations. But before that we need to understand what a spice is, what we really mean by a spice. If you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my videos. So let's start the video. What is a spice? Spice is a substance from a plant which is used to give flavor to the food. According to Wikipedia, a spice is a seed, fruit, bark or other plant substance primarily used for flavoring or coloring food. We can take examples like cinnamon, which is bark of tree and is used to add flavor to the food. Another example, fennel seeds are used to add flavor and are seeds of fennel plant. So we have understood what is a spice. Now we will learn names of different spices in English. Asafoetida, Indian bay leaf, black cardamom, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, black mustard seeds, black pepper, black salt, caraway seeds, carom seeds or bishop's weed, chili powder, cinnamon, cloves, desiccated coconut, dry coconut, coriander powder, coriander seeds, gallnut, curry leaves, dry fenugreek leaves, dry ginger, dry mango powder, fenugreek seeds, fenugreek leaves, garlic powder, green cardamom, green chili pepper, nutmeg, mace, mint, onion seeds, red chili or red chili pepper, rock salt, table salt, saffron, star anise, tamarind, turmeric, rosemary, capers, licorice, madder, thyme, oregano, myrobalan, ashwagandha or Indian ginseng, सफेद मूसली, Salam Panja or Himalayan marsh orchid, white pepper, dry pomegranate seeds powder. Let's take a test. What is the name of spice given from the following? Please write the answer in comment section, and thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and share the video as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, subscribe it, and thanks for watching the video once again. Bye bye.